The architect you think you need isn't the one you actually do. You posted a mile-long JD, stuffed with every language and a decade of experience. Sound familiar? And you wonder why hires don't stick. Stay with me. In 5 minutes you'll get a practical, compliant hiring playbook. Clear steps to assess candidates, real interview questions, and insider tips for enterprise architects. No fluff. Hire for business impact, not buzzwords. An enterprise architect builds the bridge between strategy and technology. The right hire accelerates revenue, streamlines operations, and future-proofs your stack. The wrong hire? Brilliant plans that collect dust. Think about your last enterprise-level hire. What went right? What went wrong? We're not here to blame, we're here to get better. Forget keyword scanning. Let's build a smarter process. I'll cover core technical must-haves, soft skills that predict success, how to assess both, where to source candidates, and tools to keep hiring fair. Plus sample questions and strong versus weak answers you can use tomorrow. Ready? Let's dive in. First, the technical essentials. We'll separate non-negotiables from nice-to-haves. Decoding technical prowess, coming up next. Core, deep system architecture and design principles. They must know to design for scale, resilience, and operability. Familiarity with enterprise frameworks like TOGAF or Zachman is expected. Table stakes, hands-on with cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, or GCP. They should understand networking, identity, security posture, and cost models, and map architectures to multi-year business roadmaps. Nice to have, data governance, analytics architecture, and MDM experience. Experience integrating AI/ML where it fits the strategy is a bonus. Security certifications help, but they're secondary to practical security design. Don't copy-paste a JD, start with your 3-5-year goals. If you're migrating to cloud, deep cloud expertise is mandatory. If you're building analytics at scale, prioritize big data architecture. Prune your checklist. Required versus optional. Be ruthless. Look for a history of learning, conferences, talks, and new stacks over time. Candidates who've adapted across eras often outperform single-stack experts. Resumes tell a story, verify with artifacts, diagrams, trade-off rationales, and decision logs. Add technical checkpoints to your scorecard. Architecture patterns, integration, reliability. Next, the soft skills that make or break an EA, and how to assess them. Technical chops without leadership and communication, plans stay on the whiteboard, must have soft skills, storytelling, stakeholder influence, and adaptability. Also, empathy, curiosity, and clear decision-making under uncertainty. Probe communication, ask for examples of translating technical ideas to non-technical leaders. Sample question. Tell me about a time you gained buy-in for a major architectural change. Listen for stakeholder mapping, tailored messaging, and measured outcomes. Adaptability matters. Priorities pivot. Will they pivot with you? Ask. Describe a time priorities changed suddenly. How did you respond? Good answers show structured thinking and a calm, stakeholder-aware approach. Best predictor, give them a real, anonymized problem from your shop. Prompt. If you were our EA, how would you begin to approach this challenge? Weak, jumps to code. Strong, asks stakeholders, impacts, constraints first. Behavioral question, tell me about a time you turned critics into champions. Weak answer, I scheduled a meeting and presented data. Strong answer, stakeholder one-on-ones, tailored rollout, and ROI demonstrated. Use a scorecard. Define weak, average, and strong for every competency. Each interviewer scores independently and immediately to reduce bias. Rubrics force language-based, observable evidence, not gut feel. Give a take-home, high-level architecture for a mock product and a risk matrix. Ask them to present the executive summary. Assess clarity and trade-offs. This evaluates technical design, strategic thinking, and communication at once. Recap. Weak =, textureless, technical first. Strong =, stakeholder first, impact focused. Hire the leader who can move people, not just systems. Next, where to find these people and the tools to evaluate them fairly. Top source #1. LinkedIn. Active sourcing and InMails for passive enterprise architects. Top source #2. Niche job boards and professional communities. Targeted, higher signal. Top source #3. Referrals. Incentivize internal engineers and tech leaders to refer candidates. Tools. Structured interview scorecards integrated into your ATS for auditability. Use standardized take-home exercises and a shared rubric to compare apples to apples. Document decisions for compliance and train interviewers on fair evaluation. Pitfall. Over-indexing on pedigree. Big names don't guarantee fit. Pitfall. Rushing. Resist time pressure. A bad EA costs more than delay. Use diverse panels and scorecards to reduce unconscious bias. Compliant question. Describe the environment where you were most productive and why. Follow with, what key elements made that environment work for you? Focus on behaviors, not protected characteristics. A strong answer ties their skills to your mission and shows prior impact. Practical next step, update your JD, create a scorecard, and build a real case take-home. Refine interview questions to reveal influence, clarity, and strategic thinking. Include a presentation or role play in final stages. If you need immediate help, visit peopleteam.com/hiring. We deliver vetted, impact-ready talent fast. PeopleTeam combines AI plus human expertise with a 30-day pipeline guarantee and a 90-day safety net. Small, deliberate changes make hiring a strategic advantage. Recap: prioritize strategic fit, score consistently, test with real problems. If this helped, subscribe and check peopleteam.com/hiring for templates and playbooks. Go find your next great enterprise architect and build the bridge that moves your company forward.